Salut tout le monde. On va revenir aujourd'hui sur Elex. Donc on a obtenu l'accès à la cité sous le dôme d'Abessa. Donc Abessa, ça a l'air d'être la zone neutre, c'est-à-dire la zone où se trouvent les 3 factions. Vous avez des zones... oh, non. Vous avez des zones dédiées à chaque faction, donc Edan pour les berserkers, Ignadon pour les clercs, et puis Tavar pour les outlaws. Et apparemment, donc il y a une zone un peu au centre, qui est Abessa, et dans laquelle vous allez trouver des gens des 3 factions, avec un équilibre plutôt précaire. Oh, c'est Halloween bientôt chez vous. Putain, mais c'est citrouille. Un jour dans mon jardin, j'en ai des comme ça. Je me demanderais si j'ai pas déménagé à Tchernobyl. Eh, tu veux quoi le mendiant là?
Tell me about the city.
Right, well, where to start? First off, a lot of people are avoiding the north of the city. This place always has something going on, but right now, there's really something brewing. That means the north isn't exactly welcoming unless you're a thug. The western section's safer. You're okay there as long as you don't break the law or look funny or say something the clerics don't like. The southern part, well, that is really quiet. Nothing really happens there, but wherever you are, you should know the clerics are watching. Alois, he runs this place. He thinks he's God's messenger or something, and that means he's got one big old stick up his ass. Don't piss him off. If you ignore anything else...
He's got one big old stick in his ass. Ouais, d'accord. J'ai compris l'image. Elle m'avait l'air assez claire en même temps, cette image. Hey, c'est quoi ça? Ah, c'est de l'élexite, ok. C'est pas de l'élex brut? Non? Pas, hein, ça peut être intéressant d'aller chercher l'élex brut. Bon, on est en ville. Alors, quand on est en ville, il va falloir qu'on parle à tout le monde pour essayer de récupérer des quêtes. Bon, les gardes, vous avez pas l'air d'être des rigolos, vous. Ah, j'ai pas le droit de rentrer, c'est chez toi, c'est ça? Riley, t'es qui, toi?
You don't have any broken energy weapons, chainswords, or anything like that? That sort of thing is my business. So if you find any, bring them to me. I'll give you good prices for them.
Did you flee here from the desert?
Flee? No. But to live in Tavar, you need shards. And despite my talents, I wasn't one of the Duke's favorites, and that made making a profit hard.
You think it's better here?
Yes, for sure. For me, at least. And those berserkers are the worst for it. One of those assholes killed my friend for fun. Now that bastard is focused on me and nobody's helping me. Even though they know it'll be their turn next, and keeping their head down won't save them.
Who is this berserker that's giving you trouble?
Brawback. A bull of a man and twice as ugly. Bone-breaking bastard.
About Brawback. Where can I find Brawback?
He's usually near the inn. Just follow your nose. If it smells like piss, you found him.
Leave Brawback to me.
You'll deal with him? That would be...
Bah oui, on va deal avec lui, ouais. Alors, mec, toi, tu veux faire un échange. J'imagine que tu ne vends rien qui ne m'intéresse.
Okay.
C'était tellement évident. Donc je vais aller voir Barbac, ou Brabac, ou je sais pas quoi. Du côté de la taverne. Ok.
So, you come here from Goliath?
Goliath? No. I was exiled to the valley before I came here, but I hid myself in a crate.
Bah non, il y a du garde ici.
Ah, the gift and treasures of travel, for it brings new encounters. So what are you? Merchant, bounty hunter, or a nobody, like most people out there? I'm not in a faction. Well, guess you're one lonely son of a bitch then, aren't you? Here, before you start begging for help, consider it a gift from the Duke. You gave me enough that I can share. Keep your charity. It isn't smart to refuse a gift from the boss. You should learn to appreciate his generosity. How do people live here? Here, smoke one with me. Before you start bump, I have the best stuff here. I don't smoke. Well, that's your choice. From time to time, you need to open a door in your head and look inside, right? But if you won't, then all the more for me. That done, let's get into the real business. What business? Real business. A proper opportunity. You see, the clerics have had this city under their control for years. And the Duke thinks they're planning to take control everywhere, sooner or later. And he thinks the Dome City could be the starting point for their military campaign. So, my job is to find out if he's right. If there is something brewing that could be dangerous for us in Tavar. What information have you gathered about the clerics? Pretty much nothing so far. They've not been very loose-lipped around me. So, you want me to be your spy? I want you to find out information. Now, I can see in your eyes that you haven't fallen for the cleric's tricks. You aren't simple enough to believe every piece of troll shit you're fed. What do you expect from me? All that you have to do is get some answers out of somebody, and I've even got the guy lined up ready for you. His name is Lutz. He's one of Alois's technicians. As far as I know, he's trying to re-establish communications with the other clerics in Ignadon. While Alois will tell you the clerics here are neutral, separate from the ones in the Horde. Go and grill Lutz. Find out if there'll be an offensive soon. Do that, then come back to me as soon as you have any useful information.
Determining which faction to help against another is a very complex decision.
These shards should make it a lot easier. How many shards are you talking about? Enough. I pay. Where can I find Lutz? If he's not on a call, then he's usually working maintenance on one of the generators. Just walk along the battlement path up at the top. Can't be far.
Ok. Donc ça c'est... en fait cet endroit c'est un panier de crabes quoi. C'est l'équivalent de Port-Faranga sur Rhysheim. C'est-à-dire que tu vas avoir pas mal de... Tu vas avoir plusieurs factions qui vont être présentes ici et chaque faction va avoir des quêtes. En fait pour chaque objet de quête tu as une quête qui le concerne dans chaque faction. Et donc tu vas choisir à qui rendre les objets de quête ou comment traiter les objets de quête, comment traiter les gens. Et en fonction de ça, bah, tu vas travailler pour une faction ou l'autre. Et à Port-Faranga, c'est littéralement possible de faire à peu près toutes les quêtes avant de garder juste la dernière pour choisir faction. Eh mais t'es la sœur jumelle de la vendeuse chez les berserkers ou quoi?
What's wrong with you? Have I done something to piss you off?
Call it experience, but those in need and those willing to help don't normally question my motives.
Are you always so edgy?
You know you wouldn't need to diffuse things if you didn't get people wound up in the first place. Damn, this is like being back in Goliath all over again.
You're a berserker. Is Adan trying to conquer Abessa?
I don't answer to it, Dan. And these people belong to no faction. They belong only to themselves. I stand as their protector against anyone who would force them to do otherwise. My only connection to Edan is my magic. I wish it was more, but wishes don't make things so.
Have you been exiled from Goliath?
Exiled? No. There are those in Edan who want to use my magic for their own purposes. Ever since my power started to grow, they changed me. Their mana changed me, and that change just won't stop. I'm becoming stronger and stronger. It is terrifying.
If that's true, why don't you use your power?
I do, I have. But sometimes it overwhelms me. That's why I fight alone. If I lose control of a spell, there's a chance I could kill anyone and everyone around me. The warlords wanted to test me. Try my powers, to harness them. Now I need to find a solution myself.
What brought you out here?
This is a place away from the war. A place people can make up their minds without being pressured to join one of the factions. If the people here wanted to join a faction, they would have. Some people aren't ready for that. Or they've been cast out. They have to go somewhere.
So there's no faction in charge here?
Well, the clerics keep order, but it's not like the Fort where entry means you have to join them. Here you can forget about factions.
I could use someone like you.
Use? There's a word I've heard too much.
I could help you.
What do you know of what I need? What do you know of how to help me? Helix marks people. Mana, chems, exposure from food tainted by it. It stays with people. You have its mark on you. You're different somehow.
I took Helix in the past. Is that what you're seeing? Or is there something else?
Took it. You were fed it. You were an Alb soldier. Well, it seems we have something in common. We've both been fed Helix in one form or another. It's changed us. And neither of us know what that means we are now.
What do you think? My offer still stands.
And what exactly is it that you're planning?
I am going to end this war by taking the fight to the Elexitors. And I'm trying to put together a group skilled enough to win that fight.
And you think I'll take part in this?
In return, I will help your quest to find the Helix you're searching for. Then you can improve your magical abilities. You said yourself, the longer you are here, the more you fear your powers will overwhelm you. The longer you stay here, the more danger you put these people in. If you really want to protect them, you need to leave.
Even if that's true, why should I leave with you?
I was an owl. I know Helix and I know magic. I know the impulses that follow you even during sleep. I know the nightmares and the problems of trying to control power that really wants to control you. And I know what it's like when all that is taken from you. We can help each other.
And it's not like
Par contre, là, la musique, elle est chelou, hein.
Not in the long term. I'll wait by the main gate. And you should stock up.
I will meet you by...
Just don't keep me waiting.
Ok, donc on va avoir un nouveau compagnon disponible. Cette ancienne berserker qui a quitté berserker parce qu'elle a un pouvoir magique un peu trop puissant, mais en même temps un peu chaotique, anthropique, et donc pour éviter de blesser quiconque avec sa magie, comme tout le monde veut l'utiliser, bien sûr, puisqu'elle est puissante, elle a préféré venir ici. Mais ça ne résout pas le problème du côté chaotique de sa magie. Donc j'ai proposé de voyager avec moi pour m'aider, et en contrepartie, je l'aiderai à essayer de trouver l'élex qu'il lui faut pour contrôler sa magie. En soi, si on peut avoir plusieurs compagnons, c'est sûr que là, d'un seul coup, les combats vont devenir beaucoup plus simples. Donc il faut que je vois combien de compagnons on peut avoir à la fois.
You don't feed the belly, the rest of the body will die.
Hey, it's you.
Yes, Frank. It's me, Jax.
I heard they'd shot you down. That you were dead. Apparently that was wrong. But if you're here, does that mean you're a separatist now? Will you stay here and support our cause? I'm sure you would be very welcome.
What cause?
We've broken free from Zakor, from being slaves to Elix. And we've worked, persuaded people to allow us into the city. And now we're here, we are working to be allowed to stay. Would you be willing to help us?
I will give you my support.
Good. We have to stick together. People blame us for this war, even though we left Zakor to escape it. They will doubt us until the day peace begins. I mean, they don't even trust each other. Among all these warring people, all these different agendas, we, you and I, share a similar destiny. It's the only way anyone.
It seems like you're tolerated here in the city.
That is exactly what we are. Tolerated. We are still a long way from being accepted.
Alms who have freed themselves from the influence of the Elexitors. Fascinating.
There are definitely those who see us as a novelty, which is all right, as long as they also understand that we are also people. This city is a place of freedom, but all the old suspicions remain. The outlaws claim they are being oppressed. The clerics say they are neutral, but they aren't. The berserkers, they don't seem to know what they're doing, apart from avoiding their laws. I think people see that we are all here.
What?
Ah, toi, tu vas en plein de parchemins? Tu les vends extrêmement cher. Oh, de l'élex brut! Oh, man! Oh, la vache! En fait, entre parenthèses, le chiffre là, c'est combien tu en... Je pourrais lui acheter les 15, ça me coûterait 1500 gold. C'est beaucoup, hein, mais il m'en resterait 1600. Ça va? Et en contrepartie, j'aurais 20 élex bruts. Je pourrais donc me faire potentiellement 5 potions de points de carac. C'est énorme! Énorme! Énorme. Ça, je vais revenir à quasiment 2000 en fait. Du coup,
Do you need help?
It is good that you offer to help us. The berserkers are already trying to get us thrown out of the city. We need the protection offered by this place. We won't survive without it. We've persuaded people here that we are worth a chance. But there will always be those who won't see it that way. And the Albs and Zakor want us dead. If we're to stay, we need someone to get to Caleb and York. They are key to our future.
About the threat of you. What is the problem with Caleb and York?
York is a berserker. He's accused us of spying for the Albs and Zakor. He claims he saw us handing over information about the shield generators. It's completely illogical. We are the ones with the most to lose if Zakor captures this city. But the free people are prisoners to emotion. It makes them doubt logic. They have already thrown one of our group out of the city. Now they are threatening the... We are no friends of the Alps and Zakor. They would see us dead. We want this to be our home.
I will.
Good. It is best if you go straight to York. Caleb is already attempting further arguments to ensure, but it is York's statement that has put us in danger. If people believe we are working with the end, but if York can...
Ok, on va aller voir Jorg.
What do you want from me? To drive me off? Or maybe even have me killed? You don't scare me. Your people are a plague upon this land.
Eh, t'as une armure d'albe.
There's something different about you.
Tu reconnais pas que je suis un albe?
They spend time with people like us.
I was an alb myself once.
Yes. You stopped taking Elix. That is rare, which makes me question how you did it. Mais logic.
Ouais, du coup, elle veut pas parler, quoi. Donc il va y avoir plein de quêtes à faire ici. J'ai pas nécessairement envie de commencer par faire les quêtes ici. J'aimerais finir mon niveau, retourner à Goliath. Exactement. Aller me faire des potions d'Elex. Gagner quelques points de caractéristiques. Acheter le skill armure et le skill constitution. Ou le skill armure et le skill d'augmentation des dégâts. Enfin, le skill constitution, pardon, le skill augmentation des dégâts. Encore un mec en train de pisser.
I saw you.
You saw me.
I saw how you came through and... Who are you?
That's none of your business.
Then it sounds like you got in here illegally. As much as the clerics claim they control the gates, they really don't seem to be able to stop people getting in. And by that, I don't just mean you. Can you believe it? There are fucking albs in the city.
What do you have against the Separatists?
They are coming to our city. The only city with a real chance of peace among the factions.
Ah, parce que toi, tu penses à la paix entre les factions alors que tu craches sur tout le monde.
These albs went somewhere else. You might say we have the... But I don't believe a word of what. They can't be trusted.
You want to have all the Separatists thrown out of the city?
Yeah. And you know what? I have already started to make it happen. I'll recruit anyone who'll help get this done. We have an eyewitness who claims to have seen the Separatists exchanging information with the Alps. Traitorous bastards.
Who is this eyewitness?
The Berserker Jorg saw Fenk meet with an Alb in front of the city. Why would they meet if it wasn't to exchange information about the dome? Sadly, Jorg is the only one who's seen Fenk. And now he started saying he isn't sure he really saw Fenk meet an elf from Zakor. So I have to jog Jorg's or make sure he stops. There has to be a way to do that.
You don't think that Jorg could have been wrong in the first place?
No, never. You can't trust these Separatists. They'll betray us sooner or later for sure. I'm telling you, this is just the beginning.
Who are you?
Non, je vais certainement pas l'aider, cet enfoiré.
You are set.
We have kept our beliefs, but left behind. Well, none of us are allowed to return to Edan now. As to why they came here, well, the first settlers were sent to Abessa to plant a world heart to expand the forest of Edan out here. But they were cut off from Edan by the Alps, left on their own to survive. And after a while, they decided to keep it that way. The warlords in Goliath weren't happy. But they're stretched too thin for another conflict, so here we are. And since they settled here, others have joined us. Some are escaped exiles, others just chose to leave Edan.
Toi, mon pote, je t'aime pas, t'as l'air d'être un gros connard. Toi, tu veux la paix entre les gens.
You're new here
Mais en même temps, tu passes ton temps à essayer de virer tout le monde.
Yes, I've just arrived.
I thought so. I saw you come through the gate, you see? Anyway, I want to ask you something, if that's alright. Have you been to Edan recently? To the Berserkers' city of Goliath, to be exact. A good friend of mine is still there.
Who's your friend?
His name is Kral.
Oh.
He's a guard at the Mana Shrine. At least, he was when I left.
Ouais, enfin, il est mort.
He thought he still had a chance to save his brother, Grimar, from the Owl Converter. Do you know what happened to him?
Kral is dead.
Oh. Shit. Maybe if I'd stayed... You know, I was even planning how I could get to Goliath to see if I could get him out of there. I had this feeling something bad would happen to him. First his brother and then him. A curse on all of it. And thanks anyways.
Tell me about your life in Edan.
Me? I was a worker in the pit. You know, I extracted Elix from old machines. I always wanted to join the Hooded Crows and learn the... My parents forbade me from trying. Not that any of that stopped me. And that's what got me banished. I stole...
Bah oui, t'as volé, toi.
To try and learn that. And I'd seen the Dome City when I was sent on...
I would like to learn Berserker magic.
Well, pointless asking me. You would have to join the Berserkers. They won't teach their magic to outsiders. But you will have to decide who you want to join. I have to go.
Ça, j'ai bien compris qu'il faudra choisir une faction.
Nah. How many are dead now?
You can forget it, Brabeck.
The fight is
serve
only
everyone here.
That
Save
makes it
yourself
real.
some
Those
work
ruins are still full
and
of
some
useful
pain
things.
by
You
doing
feel
what
like
I say. Let those assholes
Stop being
drink
an
piss from the
asshole.
gutters, and you keep your supplies for the real people.
Some
What do
guys
you
just
care who I
open their
serve?
mouths too much.
I still serve you, even though the other people complain about
The
it.
fight is the only
So
thing
you
that
are
matters.
taking their
That makes it
side,
real.
are you?
I'm on nobody's side. I'm just getting on with my job.
Yeah, that's a real issue. We have to
better
fix that.
reconsider this.
Reconsider what? One wrong word.
Do you ever
and
think about
Clarence
how
will
things
throw
might
you
have been
out of
before the
city.
comet?
So do us both a favor.
He
Calm
didn't
the hell
deserve
down.
that.
This isn't over. I will come back.
Some guys
When
just
you do,
open their mouths too
make
much.
sure you bring some shards.
That's all he ever
Sick
talks
of giving
about.
credit, and I need to change, all right?
Yeah, I definitely need a few more shards.
Hop, 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 hop.
Come over here. Let's get a drink together.
What are we celebrating?
Victory over the Alps! Or do you have another reason to celebrate? Because any reason works for me.
I believe.
Drink up. Drink up to the end of our days. Here, my friend. And now, tell me, or have you just been sitting on your ass, letting others fight the beasts of Zagor Ford?
I've done more fighting than a barfly like you.
Ha! You have to have balls to challenge me like that. Here, you've earned something to drink.
Why aren't you in Edan with the other Berserkers?
Fuck the Berserkers. I don't have anything more in common with them. They would have exiled me to the valley sooner or later, so I beat them to the punch and left. Fuck them and their laws. You can have it much easier here.
Your reputation precedes you.
Let's just say that crap-stained skinflap of a man was shooting his mouth off about me. He didn't have anything better to say about you. It's about time someone pays him a visit. Now, you're the one to do it. That lying shit is telling people I killed a family out in the Badlands. Total fucking bullshit. I killed 5 families out in the Badlands. Paraded around out there. Hardly a weapon between them. Those dipshits got themselves killed. And now Riley spread it all around the dome. He's even got some of the guards believing his yammer. But if someone else were to shut him up, I'd be in the clear, and those guards would be off my back. Take care of him.
You need to learn
What? So piss off. I'm gonna give your whore...
Tu veux pas m'aider, Falk? Bah ça, j'en ai pour 3 heures. Hein.
Everyone seems to have an answer to this.
Tu es pour 3 heures à le tuer, lui, hein. En fait, tu vois sa barre d'endurance, là, sous sa barre de vie. Ah, je le tuerais à voir ça, mais... J'aurais bien aimé que Falk m'aide, quoi. Histoire de raccourcir un peu le combat. Putain, je fais vraiment des dégâts de merde. Allez! Vas-y, bats-toi! Bats-toi comme un homme! Ah, merde! Saloperie de garde. Bouge ton cul devant moi. Hein. On va le laisser utiliser ça, voilà, sa stamina. Je crois que ce combat va être long mais ridicule. Il y a de légères défaillances à ce niveau-là. Mec, avec mon bouclier, tu peux pas me faire de dégâts. Par contre, même si je joue à 2 à l'heure, moi je t'en fais. Et voilà, du coup, il y a un passant qui est passé, il a pris un coup. Font chier les gens à passer au milieu. Putain, vous voyez pas qu'il y a des gars qui sont en train de se battre? Dégagez, bande de connards. Mais là, c'est tout le monde regarde, personne n'intervient. Tu sais. Voilà. Bon, on va y arriver, hein, à force. Les mecs, je me demande combien de points de vie ils ont. Ils ont 3500, quoi, au moins. Parce que bon, je tape à 17 ou 18 quand même avec le bouclier, hein. Et moi, en 5 coups de bouclier, je suis mort, hein. Je pourrais même ne pas avoir d'épée, je veux dire. Je vais le défoncer juste avec un bouclier, quoi. Debout! Debout, feignasse! Poivreau! Mais bon, sa vie bouge pas beaucoup, hein. C'est fini, putain, de passer au milieu, là. Ah, sa vie, elle baisse, quoi. Mais ça va être extrêmement long. Je tiens pour avoir des problèmes, moi. Allez, debout! Debout! Ah ouais, tu peux littéralement le stun lock, quoi. Oh là 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 là. Putain, mais les habitants en cette ville, ils sont relous, hein. J'étais tranquillou en train de le stun lock, quoi. Il a fallu que quelqu'un arrive, hein. Et nobody fucking cares about you non plus, connard. Ce combat est assez ridicule. Allez, Brabac. Viens là, c'est un homme. Alors, Brabac. Alors, on joue toujours les durs. T'es un homme mort, Brabak. T'es fini. Et maintenant, adieu.
That was amateurish.
All right. You've made your point, so leave me alone.
You had better leave people alone from now on.
I got it.
From now on, keep your hands off the outlaws.
And if I don't?
Then you better find a bodyguard before I come back for you.
All right. Fuck it. You get your wish.
Smart decision.
Voilà, et voilà, level up.
I swear those creatures are getting more dangerous.
Alors,
Someone's gotta sort this shit out before we drown.
on a dit on va essayer de prendre de la dex, de la force.
Think before you go out and do that.
The fight is the only thing that matters. That makes a real man.
How many are dead now?
Don't mess me around, or I'll mess with you.
That is a shame.
The fight is the only thing that matters. That makes a real man.
Those ruins are still full of useful things, if you look in the right place.
I've heard a lot about that. I'm not sure I believe it.
I have to go.
On va prendre la dex, de toute façon, je pense, pour commencer. Parce qu'il va en falloir ne serait-ce que pour passer en crochetage. Et en modificateur d'armes. Donc ouais, on va commencer par investir tous nos points en dex. De toute façon, à terme, je veux dire... Bon, j'ai un perso trop généraliste. En fait, clairement, beaucoup trop généraliste. J'ai 2 skill points. Donc, il y en aura un qui va aller en point de vie supplémentaire. Un qui va aller en puissance d'attaque. Et au prochain niveau, ça ira en armure.
Hey, traveler, whatever your problem.
I heard about your fight with Brabak.
Forget that guy. Every city has someone like him. You just have to ignore them. Let me know if I...
Do you have any news to go with that drink?
News? I presume you're talking about news from in here. I don't hear anything much from the outside. The future of the Dome City is the only topic people are concerned about right now. There's been peace in here for years, but right now, well, we're all set for things to boil over. I don't want to say it's the cleric's fault. It's always easy to blame the people in charge. But who else do we blame? The berserkers, the outlaws, the separatists? Me? I find it best not to blame anyone.
Bah, blâme personne, puisque toi, tu sers tout le monde.
How is business?
Now that everyone is paying credit? Roaring. Not many people aren't happy to pay on credit. It's me that's holding the bill and hoping to get paid before I run out of supplies. Speaking of which, I'll pay real...
I can...
Hey, you mean you want more than... You want to...
Do you want to trade?
D'accord, donc en fait, j'ai foiré une quête.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
J'ai foiré une quête, quoi. La froideur, ça a l'air d'être l'indicateur d'alignement, en fait. En quelque sorte.
Hey, whatever.
You need...
A promise is a promise.
Do you want to trade?
Ah bah c'est pas une quête, en fait. Ah mais toi tu vends de l'alcool. 90, ouais non c'est un peu short. De l'élex brut, j'ai de quoi en faire 5 potions, donc il me manque 8 alcool pour ça. Donc est-ce que tu peux me vendre 8 alcools, s'il te plaît? Tu peux absolument pas rentrer manuellement le chiffre et c'est très chiant. Bon, je vais retourner voir Joe Laburge. Je vais faire mes 5 potions, ce qui me donnera 10 points de caractéristiques. C'est super. Et là, franchement, c'est que du bonheur. Riley, toi, le pétochard qui est là. Allez, je t'ai sauvé, va.
About Brabeck. You needn't worry about Brabeck. He'll leave you alone.
Leave me alone? He won't do that while he still draws breath. Oh, please tell me you didn't appeal to his...
Don't worry. I made things clear to him. He won't be back.
Well, okay. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. Wow. I might actually live through this year now. Thank you. Thank you. Here, this is for you.
80 gold. Bon, l'intérêt c'est 200 XP de plus, quoi. Voilà. Moi, il faut que je retourne à Goliath. Il y a certainement des instructeurs ici, hein. La gonzesse, la zouze, elle était à l'entrée, elle m'a dit. Je veux juste voir. Puis j'aimerais bien aussi, tiens, il y a mon robot hein, que j'étais censé aller chercher dans le pit. Et que j'ai pas cherché dans le pit.
You.
I'm here now.
So you are. And are you planning on telling me where?
Okay.
You've done a lot, but you still have got a lot of work ahead of you. Or we have.
And we're not going to get where we need to without a jetpack.
Don't worry, I know how to use one of those. I'll keep up with you. Now can we talk about my problem?
Bien sûr. 1000 XP. Oh, cool! Je gagne 1500 XP là, tout de suite, grâce à elle. C'est cool.
Feel the presence of Elix. Mostly where it's present in great quantities.
Like the converter?
You don't need any special powers to feel the Elix there. No, I'm talking about unrefined Elix. When it's raw, latent. I can learn more from it when it hasn't been altered. I want to explore Magalan and look for some large deposits of unrefined Elix.
Quand comptes-tu les trouver?
When the comet impact spread Elix across Magalan, it found its way everywhere. Into the seas, the rock, the air we breathe. But it is collected and concentrated in some places. I have felt the vibrations, the presence of these deposits. I want to track them down and examine them.
Ouais, mais ça me va.
You're right. Part of its power is that it is... But when it is processed by the Albs, the Elix changes. It becomes polarized. The transmuted form that the Berserkers get from their mana shrine changes it in similar ways. That keeps some of its power, but it's the Elix that came with the comet that I want to learn more of. To understand those secrets, I need it untouched, pure Elix.
Where can you find this unrefined Elix?
The first deposit I'd like to investigate is north of the city of Abessa. I can show you.
If it's so close, why hasn't anyone else found it?
I don't know. Maybe because nobody can feel Elix like I can.
Your senses are better than Alb technology.
Come with me and find out.
All right, show me the way.
It's not far from the city. Follow me. There is a vast amount of Elix flowing into the sea. It washes out of the cliffs and the ground, and it flows out across the planet. Elix is everywhere.
But you still think we need to find concentrations of it?
Yes, from the moment the comet struck, Elix has been seeping into everything on Magalan. That makes the background noise from it hard to read. If I'm to learn more, we must follow those mutants to find where the Elix is coming from. We know where we have to go. I'll follow you this time. Not bad. I'm better at sensing Elix than any person I know.
Ouais, tu n'as droit qu'à un seul compagnon, quoi.
We should be careful in case the Elix deposit has attracted them.
Tu n'as donc effectivement droit qu'à un seul compagnon à la fois. C'est un peu logique parce que sinon ça commence à devenir trop facile. Il n'y a pas de marqueur pour cette quête par contre. Ah si. On va voir ce qu'elle vaut par rapport à Falk. J'ai bien peur qu'elle ne soit un peu trop en carton, elle. Oh ouais! Mais c'est quoi le délire là? Je veux dire, c'est vraiment ça sa quête? C'est vraiment ça ta quête, ma grande? Faut bâcher ce pack là? C'est une blague. Comment veux-tu qu'on bâche ça? C'est pas possible. À moins d'essayer de cheese. Ah bah oui, bah c'est là que j'étais tout à l'heure, ouais, ok. Ouais, à moins de cheese, je vois pas comment on est censé tuer ces gens, hein. Ah mais ils tirent en plus ces gens. Non, c'est mort là. Bah oui, elle est morte, hein. Oh, man. Mais on n'est pas censé les tuer, ces mutants, si? Parce que c'est pas possible. Mec, je t'ai demandé de passer en mode sneak. Donc en fait, c'est pour ça qu'elle rapporte tellement d'XP quand tu la recrutes. Mais elle est carrément pas assez balèze pour t'aider, je veux dire. T'as vu la gueule de ce pack? En plus, c'est des mobs, ils shootent. Mais putain, mais tu veux pas venir ici, ma grande? Ok. Ok, ils peuvent monter ici. Ah bah... Je crois que je vais gentiment revenir en arrière et prendre et récupérer Falk. Hein. Ou alors je te prends toi avec moi, mais on va sagement, sagement et gentiment remettre cette quête à beaucoup plus tard. Beaucoup plus tard. Parce que quand on aggro un, ils viennent tous en plus. Tu peux même pas dire allez, j'en aggro juste un et puis basta quoi. Non, 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 non. Putain, mais en plus, ils peuvent monter ici, quoi. Ouais, elle est déjà morte. Non, pas encore. Est-ce qu'on peut bloquer les sorts? Non, tu ne peux pas parer les sorts au bouclier. Tu ne peux pas, par contre, en faisant du strafe, peut-être que tu peux les éviter. Bah, de toute façon, t'as pas d'autre choix que d'essayer, hein, mec, parce que... T'as pas d'autre choix que d'essayer, hein, parce que cette quête, j'ai envie de dire... Attends, c'est quoi? On va aller à l'endroit de la quête. C'est ridicule ça. C'était complètement con. Complètement con. Ouais, donc on va essayer positivement de les attirer et puis de dodge pendant qu'elle sauce. Waouh, tu t'es gouré de... T'as envoyé un putain de sort dans le vent là, mec. Raté, t'es monté trop haut sur ta montagne. Oh, oh. Wow! Holy shit! Holy shit, le bug! Holy shit! J'ai plus de flèches. Allez, on va se battre contre un mutant. Wow. Non, le mutant, tu viens là, s'il te plaît? Est-ce que t'es vivante encore, toi? Non, t'es morte, hein. Pourquoi tu veux pas shooter sur le mutant de là-haut, s'il te plaît? Je les regarde, il y a un mutant là. Oh, Louloute. Louloute. Mutant, mutant. Mais dégage, connard! Elle est avec moi, cette jeune fille, ok? Alors tu cesses de l'importuner. Ouh! Eh ben, on a réussi! On a tué un mutant. Eh, c'est mon premier mutant, hein. Bon, certes, c'est un peu ridicule. Un peu, c'était complètement ridicule, c'est le bug qui nous a permis de le faire. Mais, je veux dire, à un moment donné, il faut savoir ce qu'on veut. Oh, holy shit, ils sont encore deux. Ça va être compliqué. Mec, faudra que tu t'achètes des flèches, un de ces quatre. Putain, mais c'est fini, oui. Allez, par terre. Allez, par terre. Il faut que je gère le premier parce que elle le finira pas. Ah si, elle l'a fini, oui. Putain, mais c'est le moment de parler! Oh, bordel! C'était short, hein. Oh la vache. Et elle commence à me parler, quoi, à ce moment-là. Je veux dire, elle a que ça à faire dans la vie.
That was what I was afraid of.
That doesn't sound good.
It's something I've suspected. It's why I came. It's the reason you're going to think I'm crazy. I could feel the Elix was communicating with me. Like it has a purpose. That it wants something from me, from the people on this planet.
Elix speaks to you?
I know how crazy that sounds, but it's true.
But it's a mineral. How can it want something? How can it speak to you?
That's one of the reasons I had to leave Goliath. It was like the Elix was screaming to me. I thought it was because of the mana they were giving me, but now I know it's something different.
So, you want to continue?
You said you would help me. That was our deal. Are you still up for this? Now you know how crazy my idea is?
Let's assume I believe you. What exactly do you think you heard?
I'm not sure. It wasn't words. More a sense of desire, of purpose. But it was fleeting, hard to catch. I think I need to find a bigger deposit of Elix. That might help me hear it more clearly.
Ok.
Okay. What happens now?
We go Elix hunting. But first I need to return home. I have to go to Edan, to one of our world hearts. The one south of the observatory, in the middle of Edan. Now I've heard it, sensed it here. I want to know if this is what I heard when I was close to large amounts of mana in Edan.
You said you felt something back then. Why would it be different now?
Because I need to be sure. I need to know I wasn't going crazy. Can't you see how important this could be? What this would mean for everyone?
You go. I'll meet you there when I can.
Right. See you in Edan.
Et pourquoi tu l'accompagnes pas, mec? Pourquoi tu la gardes pas dans ton groupe? Mais t'es con ou quoi? Et maintenant, il est où, du coup, Falk? Oh, mec. Là, t'as chié, mec, un truc de fou. Hein. Bon. Falk, logiquement, il doit être... Il est censé être au camp. Bah, il est là. Donc, je vais commencer par recruter Falk. Ensuite, je vais développer mes compétences, n'est-ce pas? Et alors,
Follow me.
Of course.
ok, on va pouvoir avancer. Alors, moi c'est l'entraîneur de survie qui m'intéresse. Donc on va rentrer par là. Non, ouais, bof. Oui, bon, de toute façon il faudra que j'aille faire mes potions. Mais je peux faire mes potions après avoir appris mes skills. Je veux dire, j'en ai pas besoin pour apprendre tes skills. Puisque je joue un skill en survie et je joue un skill en combat. Et puis je vais arrêter cet épisode parce que ça fait quand même largement assez longtemps que j'y suis, voyez-vous.
Teach me something.
Yeah, will do.
J'ai pas l'impression que ça ait beaucoup augmenté grand chose. Hein. C'est Cormac, je crois, qui est l'instructeur de combat. Pour puissance d'attaque. Ouais, j'ai pas l'impression que ça ait vraiment boosté beaucoup ma vie, tout ça.
Teach me something.
Sure.
Mec.
Sure.
Alors toi, ce que j'attends de toi, c'est puissance d'attaque.
You know technology is forbidden by law here.
Le problème, c'est que puissance d'attaque, tu ne sais pas à quoi ça sert concrètement. Je sais pas. Aucune idée. Est-ce que ça affecte vraiment tes dégâts? Rien de moins sûr en vérité. Ok, on va se faire des potions d'Elex. Voilà, et on va les boire, ces potions d'Elex maintenant. Ensuite, on a tous ces points d'attribut. Donc, on commence par mettre des points dans quel attribut? Voilà une excellente question. Puis la question est, qu'est-ce qu'on va vouloir? 5 en force, 5 en dex? Dans tous les cas, il faut qu'on ait 35 en dex, que ce soit pour arme de corps à corps ou pour crochetage. Pour le reste, on a déjà assez de dex. Donc ça va. Point d'attribut, c'est ruse intel. Ouais. Ouais, ok, bah je vais foutre 5 en dex et 5 en force. Attends, quoique, au niveau des armes, j'ai quoi? Ça, si je veux améliorer épée large. De toute façon, mec, ça sert à rien. Tu n'as pas pris le skill pour améliorer les armes. « 36. Ouais, donc autant que tu mettes 35 en dex et puis 36 en force, quoi. Cette épée énergétique, il faut la même chose, 43 en force et en dex. Donc ouais, tu peux mettre 35 en... Ah ok, bordel! Pour augmenter un attribut, il faut 2 points! Oh merde! Ah ouais, d'accord! À partir de 31, il te faut 2 points pour augmenter un attribut. Oh la vache! Donc pour avoir 43 en dex et en force, il me faut 20 points, donc 40 niveaux. 4 niveaux. Oh la vache! Ça c'est super hard par contre. Ouais, donc ça, t'es pas prêt de l'avoir, hein, parce que pour monter à 35 en intel et sur à 55 en ruse, il va te falloir 3 milliards de points d'attribut. Ah ouais! Ah, c'est dur, ça! Ouais, et ce jeu, t'as intérêt à finir niveau 60, hein. Si tu finis niveau 25, ça va être chaud, hein. Oh la vache! Ça craint, par contre. Ça craint. Bon, bref. Pour le moment... je vais juste rapidement aller voir chez un forgeron, maintenant que j'ai quand même un peu plus de force et de dex. Est-ce que je peux avoir des armes un poil meilleures? Je ne crois pas, mais... Parce que mon arme, elle est quand même pas fantastique, hein. L'épée cornue. Bah ouais, du coup, j'aurais dû faire l'inverse. Non, c'est la hache. Là, je peux pas la prendre. L'épée cornue, par contre, je peux la prendre. Elle fait que 28 en dégâts. Ouais, mais tu vois, donc du coup, j'aurais dû... Et l'épée cornue coûte beaucoup plus cher, alors qu'elle fait beaucoup moins de dégâts. Est-ce que j'ai pas une save juste avant que j'attribue mes points? Je pense pas. Ah fuck, ça me fait chier par contre. Si. Donc je vais pas mettre mes attributs pour l'instant parce que peut-être partir sur une hache, peut-être, hein. Peut-être que c'est une connerie, je sais pas, mais... Parce que de toute façon, j'ai pas assez de skill points pour me prendre tous les skills dont j'ai besoin, donc ça peut bien attendre 2 ou 3 niveaux que je monte ma dextérité, ça c'est pas un problème. Cette hache, il faut 34 en force. Donc on va l'acheter. En retour, on va te vendre... ça, je la garde pour l'améliorer. Bon, j'ai peut-être pas besoin de 80 griffes. Je t'en vends 70. Pour faire un peu de pognon. Parce que c'est pas de ça, mais j'ai plus beaucoup d'argent. Non, plus beaucoup. Est-ce que tu vends des flèches, toi? Non, tu vends pas de flèches, toi. De toute façon, les flèches, tu les vendrais pas là, tu les vendrais tout en bas. Je vais t'en acheter 60. Et je vais te vendre à la place... Oh, mais... Hey. Non, ça, c'est acheté, pardon. Je vais te vendre à la place... Cellule plasma. Et on va voir. On va accepter l'échange comme ça. Du coup, il faut que tu aies 34 en force. Avec ça, il me reste 2 points à prendre. Donc non, je vais mettre 35 en force et 31 en dex. Ok. Ok, je vais mettre... Je vais utiliser cette hache. On va voir. Bon, en attendant, pour moi, il est grand temps de faire une pause ici. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée. Je vous dis à bientôt pour une nouvelle aventure. Ciao tout le monde.